Hey everybody, welcome back to my reaction channel. This is Core Harmonic, my name is Amure, and today I'm reacting to BELLAMY. Hopefully I've said that correctly. And OCTAVIA Hurricane. I don't know where this is from. Is this the 100 or something else? I don't know. But anyway, without further ado, enough jibber jabber, let's get into this reaction right freaking now.
You also said you'd do anything to protect your sister. I remember too. I hope that's still true.
Yeah, it is. It is the 100.
Oh, I came down here to protect you. To protect you.
I don't need protecting.
I didn't ask you to do that.
It seems like this is going to happen a lot
Protect her.
within this series. Him trying to protect her.
Protect my sister. If you keep this up, I won't be able to protect you.
Thanks for the warning. I need you to know that I finally understand all you did to protect me.
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Going for a walk?
Enjoy your
Probably
walk.
after he's dead.
Octavia, let's go.
Chris leaving? I'm coming too.
No, wait. Not again.
I'm staying here.
Just stay there. Please, stay back. Oh. There's nothing I could do.
Don't.
Where do you
Is that
think you're
the actor's name?
Don't.
Joseph Gad.
Well,
going? Octavia. Is she okay? You okay?
Oh man, the emotion on his face.
It's okay.
See, it's okay.
Oh, that's when they were younger.
Any word from Bellamy?
Octavia's in down DC.
I'm not going anywhere without my brother.
Whoever does the editing, they're killing
Jump
it.
through.
Leave me. I'll find another way.
I'm not going anywhere without you. No way. Not without you. Because I'm not going anywhere.
What the hell are you doing? Saving my brother.
Now I am trying to save you.
The journey of him growing up,
Your
you
plan
can
is
see
to
the
leave.
differences.
You can't expect me to stay down here not knowing what happened to my sister.
To hope Bellamy comes to your rescue.
Okay, so I said his name correctly.
For the glory and grace.
Yes.
Pathetic, right? She hates me. Keep coming back for more.
Yeah, but that won't stop you from
What I
protecting
have
her.
to do to prove that I am on your side.
This is how it was meant to be.
Side by side.
You and me,
Constantly proving himself.
fighting side by side.
Like it was meant to be.
Yep.
Your sister.
My sister. My sister.
Okay. Now I get an idea of premise of what the premise is going to look like. I'm trying to say.
But you're not my responsibility. Not anymore. Someone's got to keep an eye on you.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's because he loves you. Your brother? You're not a basket case because you were loved.
I love you so much.
I love you, big brother. I love you, big brother.
And I love you. I love you too. Couldn't tell her I loved her. She was the most in me.
Ah, this is so emotional.
She knows.
I know you love me too.
Well, you can hear me.
Won't let anything bad happen to you, Octavia.
Oh, that's adorable.
I promise.
Promise.
Yeah. Whoa.
I know. You told me that like 1,000 times.
I am sorry.
Oh wait, I know him. I saw him in MacGyver. Oh, he's also in this?
Before she dies, I'll tell her she's lucky to have you as a brother.
What is that actor's name again?
Mark.
After she got you and before
He's
you
in
died,
Legends of
you told her
Tomorrow
I was lucky.
and Arrow.
I'm glad you're alive, big brother. I need you in my life, Val. You are my rock. Without you as my compass, I was lost.
But I'm here now.
Please don't worry about me. You deserve to be happy, big brother.
Yeah.
Your face.
Yeah, I bet that didn't really give him the chance to be happy for so long.
Octavia.
I tried to get before, but he...
Come ground, also now gone up.
Oh, okay.
Also now gone up.
My brother believed, as you do, that transcendence Whatever that means is within reach.
Whatever
He
that
died
means.
for that belief. And for that, he'll never get there.
Oh man. So
Never
this is
transcend.
what's going to turn her good, you know? Turn her into, help her get there to being a good person again. Okay, I get it. I get it. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, this is really good. This is really good. Guys and girls, thanks for watching. Thanks for showing up. I'm off to work. And I hope to see you in the next reaction video. Reaction highlights or full length reaction watch long. Bye.